In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display coordinates on the cursor in AutoCAD. This feature ensures that you have visible coordinates right on your cursor, making it easier to locate points and enhancing your drafting experience. Let's get started and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to access the Drafting Settings dialog box. It's very straightforward. All you have to do is go to the command line at the bottom of your AutoCAD screen and type DS. Remember, it's just two letters, D as in drafting and S as in settings. Once you've typed those letters, press Enter on your keyboard. Doing this will bring up the Drafting Settings dialog, which offers a wealth of options to refine the way you interact with the software. Within the Drafting Settings dialog box, you'll need to navigate to the Dynamic Input tab. This tab is crucial for configuring how input fields appear when you're drafting a design. Think of it as the toolbox, where you can enable or customize actionable input prompts that follow your cursor. And today, our focus is solely on enabling the coordinate display. Next, direct your attention to the Settings button within the Dynamic Input section. Clicking on this button takes you to a more specific array of options. It's like opening a tool chest to reveal all the gadgets you can use to enhance your drafting environment. When you click on it, a list of dynamic settings, each designed to offer a more interactive and intuitive drafting experience, will be displayed. Now, you want to ensure that the coordinate tooltips are always visible on your cursor. To set this up, within these settings, you should find an option regarding the visibility of coordinate tooltips. Click on the option that says Always On for the visibility of these tooltips. This selection makes it so that every time you draft, the coordinates will be displayed directly on the cursor, giving you real-time feedback on the precise location of each point you're working with. It's a small change, but incredibly beneficial. That completes the process. With the coordinates appearing right where your cursor is on the screen, you'll find managing precision in your drawings a lot easier. There's no need to frequently check the command line for coordinate information or second-guess the position of your cursor in relation to the drawing space. This can significantly streamline your workflow, saving you time and enhancing accuracy. With just a few clicks, you've made a change that will improve your efficiency and precision in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more tips and tricks to improve your designing skills in AutoCAD.